Welcome back to our home theater, audiophile gear, and dedicated cinema design showcase. Today, we are breaking down the absolute bedrock of commercial-grade home theater low-end performance. This is the Klipsch THX-1200-SW, a massive, structural masterpiece of a subwoofer that carries prestigious THX Ultra2 certification. If you are building a reference-level custom home cinema, standard plug-and-play active subwoofers present a critical engineering flaw. By mounting a plate amplifier directly inside the vibrating subwoofer box, the delicate electronics are constantly bombarded by intense kinetic energy and heat. Klipsch completely re-engineers this layout by utilizing a dedicated passive architectural design. It is incredibly important to understand how this shifts the physics of your system. By stripping out the internal amplifier entirely, all power processing is offloaded to an external rack mount component, like the matching Klipsch KO1000 THX amplifier. This leaves the cabinet free to act as a pure, unyielding acoustic pressure vault engineered to drop down to a subterranean 20 Hz with absolute authority. The primary mechanical engineering and material triumph of the THX-1200-SW centers completely on its transducer composition and its heavy-duty cabinet architecture. Weighing in at a rock-solid 80 pounds, this cabinet houses a specialized 12-inch long-throw Cerametallic cone driver utilizing an immense, high-mass magnet structure. This signature gold anodized aluminum cone is incredibly rigid yet remarkably lightweight, allowing the voice coil to move with staggering speed and precision without bending or flexing under extreme cinematic transients. The driver vents through an advanced, front-firing linear slot port. Unlike cheap round plastic ports that create annoying puffing and whistling air turbulence when a bass drop hits, this wide slot port controls airflow perfectly, maximizing low-end room boundary reinforcement while keeping the bass output clean, tight, and completely transparent. But what truly transforms this passive subwoofer into a masterclass for custom high-end integration is its industrial-grade connection matrix and its architectural flexibility. On the rear panel, you will not find standard plastic speaker clips or cheap RCA inputs. Instead, Klipsch deploys a heavy-duty, professional-grade NL4 Speakon input jack. This locking connector establishes an airtight, high-current, ultra-low resistance hookup that handles up to a staggering 1,000 watts of peak amplifier energy without breaking a sweat. The physical box features a shallow-depth footprint finished in a premium Galaxy black coating, complete with a professional-grade aluminum fascia. This allows you to stand it up prominently in your room, tuck it directly underneath a massive acoustically transparent screen projection wall, or build it flush into custom theater cabinetry.